party ba power na wo Ghana ni woto. Enya party ba power na wo Ghana ni uko free education o show. Enya party ba power na yetu allowance na o show. Enya party ba power eni yetu teacher for car o show. Enya party ba power yeah agenda 111 ebesisi hospital na o show. Enya party ba power yeah yi train kwan atu nsuo so. Yeah Ghana railway yeah railways no and obe show. There be na sa radio station, any TV station, so-called journalists. Some of them they are looking for what they will benefit, and their station will benefit. And Kasawa Bruni when say the whole Ghana, some of the radio station and TV station will take this nonsense issue as a news. Because you people are not professionals. You're professional media. The media in Ghana, some of them are not professional. So it's how we go it. Because it's how we take it. It's how they will do it. It's Mr. Ghana radio station, TV station. You people are so unprofessional. I don't know. Power FM Metna on Ghana. Project since I know Power FM, unless NDC will come to power. NDC about power, Galamse who business and Namoye. Galamse who business and not Power FM for you. Because it's how they benefit. And the TV station, the radio station, just said, presenters in a Jumel phone, ya Danny NDC, Mahama, because Mahama give, Mahama provide. And after Mama provide, after Mama give, Ghana for the Munya. Mama Baba Chicha Casama info, it was I'm from a preparation. Ediana Wahina and I. Ediana citizens in Yaya. Ediana benefit ye. Nanasu Debbie, or no better V8 and then Kwana and Aisha. Nanasu Debbie, Mama Baba Dua, your basic cannabis in office, and then an Aisha. It's your memory at the selfishness. It's no memoir, young Cosudo. Young Cosuda as a country. Metia, yes, I'm a time, Papa Mamo. I call him a father. Bruni Busia for Ghana. This is a Wabruni. A bands one in the Chamanson. Ghana in the Chamanson. Nabusia for Ghana, and in the chef in the Busia for. I saw a simple analysis no way. The Bachaboy or Cocus and Wabruni Busia. About national security. Omako kusa wabos ni ebusa for. Kevin tell ane papancho. Obi agokono. But end this year, they will do it and they will not tell you. They will do it. They will not tell you. Say this is how you will treat. Because they will can arrest. Metia me kasatia ya papa mama. And I say me try to be so. They can arrest mabusi ni bi. Ni mame and ame papa. I show me check kwan. It is what can somewhere now so we journalists now on tiashe. Who call it a police for arresting this guy, for arresting national security? Oh, for them Ghana police in Kroma bomb. Missy media for Munkancha Ghana police and say, Munkancha so my bomb. They are not good. As a police, you know, some of them are good, but some of them they need to take action of this issue. Oh my bomb. Ekroma kia found that. Ekroma, ki aba fo busia fo se de boyo kan ekroma ka wa pa aba pacha wa be you are not can correct. Ghana police is unprofessional some way. I tell you, they are unprofessional some way. They are not international. They don't work as international. Say a American president, a Canadian president ya massa ki aton sa from Canadian police or Canadian security service, they write the president of the country. And now, say yo, but the question will be person and I don't know the police of the country and the security of the country. So if Ghana police don't have power to come out and talk to this lady, and the second Adekoya say, this kind of lady, you know, about the whole police service. The police service, you know, the security investigation, no more. This lady have a power, audacity, say what the whole media. I'm a reacting at Ghana.
I don't know mechanic ma say wa bruni wo mo aye kire wa e be shoko na always say medical can be very me go so kamba ade bi omo ye bia photoshop e no mo ye na photoshop no omo timi aye ya even otumfo guest house okra omo ye photoshop baby a wo de be kire ye e kire say ho ye otumfo guest house na ne nan na empanie na ado wa hade de no ni nyina na adofo no eye photoshop no mo ye na eye arehosem se BBC koso ohunsa na ebinom ewo nkyeren a wonti ase obi ohona wo ka ase bo ikire na otiwa a ozi onu akogye wo mo na di ene wo nwuse na nimagu ase mo a mo sori a mo jeje ne matantan so no mo jeje ne ma emfata so no endi mo da aboda blackmailing de ya de ha adwene itia mmara ewa America ha so munim a ene Canada ba bia itia mmara endi se obi ohona o blackmaili obi a monjeje so sa na they say owie ya but say wakotwere ba bi se ayi ai kama kama na papa no de ba ye de na ye ka after the crowd or the MPP ni be presidential aspirant be crowd di bebam akopɛ sympathy wo but eno yin ase bebo say di no crowd nti say wa broni no Facebook na anka say friend Facebook no owo accounts beye ayi de ye hu crowd nya asem ketwa ono nko an Facebook ade de wonim say wadwumi e pefe ya ode no kware wo ne ma bi hu a and there will be a and there will say Obeko website, Obeko a page way, not a dear or Hong Kong, Ubeko, not a dear or no qua accounts and answer get to. Enjoy baby of the stories big, and all baby so I will need a binum come and all baby I'm say, so I bruni of Fisia, hey, Mazi, say wa bruni, as semuni. Mazipa ananya sana okano adafo no se na ni maguase na medical aka se interpol omonya ho adwuma we no mercy for a year we emfa nchema ne nyeye we ase se obi te ho na okase onno oman Ghana na opese oku oman nanim asia emra ene ne nipa ne di no matter what be the case na emra ne nipa ne di na adafo no the area who be bring ni say yeah de wo ho ya o tin Kenya wa ko gina di o na sem bia o kano e bia no kre na de na ye ba be ka kire mo say o twantro tape ba simo also otum for guest house on no wa ko otum for guest house na otum for guest house one mo ceiling no someone ceiling ni nyina ya